here at zoo and first time na ko mahimong passenger sa akong own car, guys. This is Zio. Bye-bye daw. Sige. Yes. Nanila ang view sa likod, guys. Si Zib nga man dito. Zib! Zib!
Biya, sa ibutangan ng cellphone dire.
Zib! Passenger store. Si Zib ka na pa kong ayaw. The Scar of War.
A few moments later.
Abot na me. The baby's not here. The baby went first. Padaw na mi sa zoo. Tara guys, ang zoo. Himala. Maka-video, maka-vlog ko pag dili ako ang driver. Pero pag ako ang driver, nag-sensory overload na ko. So, dili ko pa video. Karon kay si Kuya man nag-drive isa ramong car. That's why. Na dito ang prinsipe ng kamaldituhan. So, see you guys inside. Hanay! Here sa zoo. Maldito ay. Maldito. 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 Zib. Zib. Nakasalad na mi, guys. We're here. Ziv, are you excited? Are you excited, Ziv? Are you excited? Galit yarn. Ito ta sa mag-feed, guys. Ato nang ipa-feed si Mama og hippopotamus. Are you? Oh, mana, flamingo.
Pink lagi.
Mas pale pink sila. Flamingos, guys. Dito sa ta sa mag-baby goat feeding. Baby goat feeding later na kay dili kay na wow.
Ang hipo man jud ko nimo dad-on.
Kay para ma-amaze ka. Diri kay giraffe na ni ma. Let's see her.
Ay, oh.
Wow.
Muna
Circle
ilang
of life. Pero ay. Come on, guys. Oh.
Where's the feeding?
Tara ay. Wow, Ziv, it's a giraffe.
Where's the giraffe?
Wow, giraffe, Ziv. Oh. Wala siya na amaze. Padong mi mag-feed og any kind of animal there. Oh, Ziv, you will feed the giraffe. Mag-feed na siya like giraffe, guys. Mana na may aning experience. Let the tourists do the feeding. Matanong ni Mala. Ma, step behind the line, ha?
No.
Nahadlok si Ziv. Nahadlok si Ziv. Si Ziv ay na-stress. Hippo namin next, guys. Ziv, are you ready to feed the hippos? Ma, how was the giraffe feeding? Amazing.
Amazing.
First time.
First time.
Tara guys, hippo feeding. Mag-feed ni na Juma. Tapos yung si Dodong, na-stress siya sa iyang experience. Excited mo?
It's nalaya na already.
Ma, are you excited?
Pabaon na to si Mama sa
Mahadlok ka?
crocodile.
May matunga.
Mahadlok.
Baba.
Turo ay.
Oh. Utamilong lagi.
Kailan nang magpakaog hippo ay. Ziv.
We interrupt this program to admire a vulture.
Tara na, magpakaon na.
Tao naman. Sige na. Ako ma.
True. Open mouth. Wow. Is this a male or a female? Female.
Lang, te.
Carrot.
Oh!
Mama,
Ma, mama.
gurit. Throw.
Ay, ano na? Wag boom!
Ma, throw. Throw. Ikaw gurit. Muffin.
Sige. Huwag niya na. Ikaw po, you're not chewing it first. What do? You
Chaotic kayo sila, guys. So chaotic.
Hippo.
Say hippo. Peacock tayo, tura. Peacock yung ginaingon. Hippo, Ziv. Baby hippo.
Full.
Ziv, give to the hippo.
Full.
Najimo.
Najuma.
Najuma yan. Najuma. Najuma.
Say hi, Nico.
Hippo.
Hello.
Hi, hippo. Give to the hippo.
Wow.
Very good.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Nico.
Oh.
Wow.
Say bye, hippo.
Bye-bye.
Bye
Bye-bye.
now. Najuma.
Ipakaon, guys, ni Najima. Gipanganlan ni Mama, uy.
Ma'am, mukhaon to silang buhaya, ma'am.
Bago kay tayo, guys.
It's a camel.
Say hi, Camel. Ang pula-pula ng lang sa batang gamay eh. Wow, hi, Camel. Agay. Naana po'y tita nga na sagpaan.
Marok yun, napayat ko, no? Na.
Lagi aircon din ang sulod.
This is like a two
Camel, ma.
Kay duhay na.
Oh.
Yo kayo, doon ka po.
siya ba? Takbo po dyan kayo.
Siya baby.
Nursing.
Kay init kaayo guys, unya igang na malitmig mga shake og ice cream before nagpadayon og soray sa zoo.
Why sila sa... Una man na diha. No running. Dito na run.
Look.
Say hi, Tiger.
Hi, tiger.
Ziv, say hi, Tiger.
Yeah, the tiger's coming. Oh. Oh, tiger. Look. It's a big tiger. Whoa.
Tiger.
The tiger is tiger.
Ano yung balik si Tiger?
It's not a cat. It's a cat. No?
It's a big cat.
Big cat.
Nalingaw siya.
Wow.
Wala na na po yung Tiger. Ay, balik yun.
Zibo. Wow.
All done.
Bye-bye, tiger.
Babay na.
Bye-bye,
Ano yung street home?
Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Bird! Say hi, bird! Hi, bird! Sige.
Hindi mo siya. Come. Come, let's have a picture together.
The Witch and the Wardrobe. It's Aslan.
Sige. Near Ziv. Near Ziv.
Meanwhile,
Asa ni Jeff Padulong? Safari.
Oy, smoke, 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 smoke. Buhangin. Buhangin, Jem. Buhangin, Jem. Buhangin, Jem. Asa mga day? Asa ka day? Oh, magkirohan, magkirohan, magkirohan.
Bakit nga? Oy.
Oh, big one. Mm. Oh yeah, that one.
Another one.
Another one. Another one. Oh, so many of them.
Nakapang na. Fish.
Fishy.
Um,
Fishy, fishy. Hi, fish. Swim. Swimming.
Swimming fish.
Langoy-langoy. Down, yan. Hi, fish. Fish.
Come here, fish.
Langoy-langoy.
Ito aman dito.
Langoy-langoy. Langoy-langoy.
Big fish.
Isda. Fish.
Isda.
Fish.
Kaliskis ito man dito. Wala siya si Dory.
Dory.
Mura na.
Mingon sila. See you tomorrow.
Ay,
Happy.
happy. Happy. Mua.
Bye-bye. Grandma, ganun mo sa grandma. Amarasikan na.
Ikaw. Sa Lion King. Pumbo. Pabira mo ni Nook. Again. Do not. Oh, like that.
Do not.
Give. Ready? Give. Oh, ay, kinabog.
Pimamunit lang. Ay, naman yun. Down, dire.
Ginabay. Stop na, Juma.
Ay, naman ang tututumoy ko.
Na may appeal conversation kay Luisa. Tapos si Zay.
Relatable. Kami pag day off, guys.
It's
a white tiger.
Nabugnaw siyang bugan.
Clap hands.
And icon performance.
After the zoo, we headed home and dropped Mom and Ziv because they were tired, and we went to eat to Strawberry Corner and picked up some groceries to prepare for our Ras Al Khaimah trip.